Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of plant-based protein powders.
And I'm excited to introduce you to what I believe is the best chocolate protein powder for vegans out there.
Introducing the KOS Vegan Protein Powder Erythritol-Free Chocolate Flavor.
Now, before we dive into the details, let me tell you why this protein powder stands out from the rest.
First off, let's talk taste.
This protein powder is infused with organic Peruvian cacao, giving it a rich and indulgent chocolate flavor that's simply delicious. But here's the kicker, it's not just about taste, it's about quality ingredients too.
Made with a blend of organic pea protein, flaxseed, quinoa, pumpkin seed, and chia seed, this protein powder is packed with essential nutrients and vitamins. Plus, it's gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, and free from artificial sweeteners, colors, and GMOs.
Each serving contains 20 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for those looking to fuel their bodies with clean, plant-based nutrition. And thanks to its soluble fiber content, it can even help with weight management by keeping you feeling full for longer. But what really sets this protein powder apart is its digestion support.
Enhanced with Indulge, a proprietary blend of digestive enzymes.
It helps your body maximize absorption, ensuring you get the most out of every nutrient. But don't just take my word for it.
Customers rave about the taste, quality, and effectiveness of this protein powder.
From its smooth texture to its gentle on the stomach formula, it's clear that KOS has hit the mark with this product. So, if you're in the market for a delicious and nutritious chocolate protein powder that's vegan-friendly, look no further than KOS. With its premium ingredients, digestion support, and unbeatable taste, it's truly the best of the best.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations.
Until next time, happy shopping!